like was said this morning, there were numbers that you can remember. So number 7852 is where we signed up for figuring out what it would take to have Deliverance and Plone work better together. And we've already started doing a lot of work on the Deliverance mailing list and the Repose mailing list for this. For example, multiple theme support. This part of the website needs to look different than that part of the website. Pretty common. Winds up being pretty simple. Trace has most of the support for that. We also have the case where you don't want to apply a thing. As soon as we rolled it out, Mark and Spelly used it and found out that all the KSS content is hidden theme. So no theme is as important as multiple themes. We've got to do something with handling attributes so that body ID can be merged with stuff coming from Plone.
It's actually class that they care about.
Class, I'm sorry. And then getting the right HTML out. This is kind of interesting. How many of you have actually opened and looked at the main under template.pt in Plone? So, actually I haven't looked at it recently. Does it still have that weird chant at the top to get the top type in there? Does it? Like this metal block or something like that. And so that's a hard problem, getting, you know, oh, I want first mode from this browser, I want, you know, this doc type here, I want an XML preamble with this encoding. And those kinds of things are what falls under the category of serialization. And doing this in middleware is a pretty cool place to do this. Because you can write a little piece of Python, which has apps, it's a library, it's not a framework. It has absolutely no knowledge of anything except an HTML string it gets sent in, and the HTML string it sends in. So middleware works really well. And then a whole bunch of stuff under the category of finishing, which is the part I'm interested in. If we were to try and make this work better with Plone, what would that mean? Would we need something in site setup? Would we want to make a skin thingy that didn't contain all that stuff that we were going to ignore anyway? So Trace has been working on CMF XHTML, which is a way to make Plone or CMF applications generate semantically rich HTML that includes enough information in it so something on the outside can do something useful with it. This probably falls into a lot of the REST ideas, which is stuff on the outside of us wants to consume our markup. And of course, docs and paste templates and other things to ease the path into getting used to it. I will close with a gentle reminder that this is different. This is using technologies that aren't on the roadmap, and we already have a facility for this. But it is an attempt to make a radical and perhaps disruptive change in how easy it is to get designers to work. And because it's disruptive, I want to make it absolutely clear, if you don't agree with this, you can easily ignore it. It's middleware. You just comment out the line that says run Deliverance, and the stuff keeps going out just the way it was before. So we're not attempting to possibly, we're not changing the way Plone works out of the box or making everybody go ditch all the skills that they so eagerly learn. They can keep doing that. They will still need to do that to generate the HTML. But for this part, if you think that this is an interesting direction to go in. Now to the best slide of any presentation, the last one. And it is Mike is walking in at the appropriate time. In honor of Mike's selection of restaurant for tonight, I Googled for crawfish space suck space head, and that was the first image. We're going to be sucking some head tonight. So just like that, Alan Runyon is going to teach us all how to do it without crying. And that's the end of my presentation, but on to questions and answers. Does anybody have any, I know it's late in time, but think, benchmark.